building factories in your community. Stop wasting money buying jets, Rolls-Royce, and unnecessary flamboyant luxuries. Dangote begs rich Nigerians. Africa's richest man, Aliko Dangote, has challenged wealthy Nigerians to stop splashing billions on luxury cars and private jets, and instead use that money to set up industry that will create thousands of jobs for ordinary citizens. The billionaire businessman made the passionate appeal in a widely circulated video interview where he expressed worry over the growing obsession with fleshy lifestyle among Nigerians elite at a time when millions of young people are jobless. If you have money to buy a Rolls Royce, fine, it's your money, but I'm begging you, take that same money and go and put up a factory in your village, your local government, or anywhere in this country that need it, Dangote said. A single Rolls Royce is almost 1 billion naira or more these days. With that kind of money, you can set up a medium-sized factory that will employ 500 to 1,000 people directly and many more indirectly. That is how real wealth is built and shared. He pointed out that Nigeria's economy will never grow strong if the rich keep sending their money abroad to buy luxury goods while local industries struggle for capital. Every time you buy a private jet or a Rolls Royce, that money leaving Nigeria immediately, it goes to Europe, it goes to America. But when you build a factory here, the money stay here, circulate here, pay salaries here, pay tax here, and develop our people here. He explained. Dangote, whose own companies from cement to refineries to fertilizer, employ over 30,000 Nigerians directly, said he feels pain whenever he sees able-bodied young men and women roaming the street with no work. I'm not saying